Howdy again, hombres. My name is L.A.zy and welcome to what is possibly becoming one of my favorite games of all time, the Undertale. Now, if you remember in the last episode, we had a weird hangout with Papyrus. Sometimes it's called date, sometimes hangout, I don't know. But now we dealt with him. We basically visited every corner of this town, and we're gonna go past the path that he was blocking away. Papyrus is actually nowhere to be seen, so I wonder where he's gone. Who knows? Anyway, let's see where that other path leads us. I'm still not liking this, like, snow covering, like everything's so quiet. Well, waterfall. Anything we need to know? Ooh, there's Sans. Yo, are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome. She's the coolest, right? I'll be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. Okay, I'm ready when you are. This is an echo flower. It repeats the last thing it heard over and over. This is an echo flower. It repeats the last thing it heard over and over. Well, wasn't that informing? Cool, let's see. The sound of rushing water fills you with determination. Waterfall, okay. There are rocks falling down. This is a box. You put an item in or take an item out. Why would you though? You can't use items when you're in a box. Sincerely, a box hater. Some healing items wouldn't hurt. Yep. And they have nothing. Okay. Yo, Sans, what's up? What? Have you seen the guy with 2 jobs at work? Fortunately, 2 jobs mean twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to grow, so wanna come? Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from the work. Over here, I know a shortcut. Well, that was quick. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey, everyone. Hey, Sans. Hi, Sans. Greetings, Sans. Hi, Sansy. Hey, Sans. Weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. It makes me thinking of brunch. Sans, you and your puns. Here, get comfy. Whoops, watch where you sit down. Sometimes weirdos put whoopee cushions on seats. Anyway, let's order. What do you want? Great, that sounds pretty good. Will be? We'll have a double order of fries. She's using comb when he has no hair. So, what do you think of my brother? Cool. Of course he's cool. It'd be cool too if he wore that outfit every day. He'd only take that thing off if he absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that, he wears it in the shower. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Sure thing. Bon appetit. Tip the ketchup. Cap falls off, no ketchup in the bowl pours onto your food. Whoops. Ah, forget about it. You can have mine. I'm not hungry anyway. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree, Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the Royal Guard. One day, he went to the house at the head of the Royal Guard, begged her to let him be in it. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. The next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Serious time? Have you ever heard of a talking flower? So you know all about it. The echo flower. They're all over the marsh. Say something to them, they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes, when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on me. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. That's it. An interesting detail. Could it be flowery? Definitely sounds like flower. Well, that was a long break. Can't believe I let you pull me away from work for that long. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just 10,000 G. Just kid. Ruby, put it on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. He's just interested. Oh man, all the interesting stuff. Wait, is he in his house? I'm gonna go double check to see if there are any secrets in this house. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay. Papyrus is no in sight. The door is locked. Well, if it's locked, then we won't bother it again. Let's go. Okay, the shed is closed, so we're going back to the waterfall. Behind this freezing weather. That definitely could have been Flowery talking to Papyrus. Or something else. And he's here again. Let's hang out again sometime. Okay, let's see what we got beyond this. Oh, there are rocks. Do they hurt me? Doesn't look like it. I swore I saw something behind that rushing water. Really, what could you have seen? Huh? There's a camera behind the waterfall. Is someone keeping watch on us? Who knows? Anywhere we can go down? Behind that rushing water. Could it be the water that heads upstream? Is that it? Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Oh, I am not liking the lighting. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. It's Undyne. Sorry about that. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard at time, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself. But in time, you don't have to destroy them, you see. You see. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. Oh man. Oh boy. No! No spears, please! Okay, she's gone. Good. Hopefully we can... Huh? Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome. I'm so jealous. What'd you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. The old faceplant trick. A feeling of dread hangs over you. You stay determined. That was definitely Undyne. When four breach seats align in the water, they use sprout. Ooh, that soundtrack though. It sounds dreadful, but peaceful at the same time. Okay, we can't expect to crack. Ooh, what do we have here? Aaron flexes in. Aaron attacks 7 defense 2. This seahorse has a lot of HP. Horsepower. All of his attacks are hard to dodge at the bottom of the box. Check all you want. Okay, that got hectic real quick. Aaron is admiring his own muscles. You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases 22. Flexing contest? Okay, flex more. damn it! Ah! I'll hold out. Shoo! You tell Aaron to go away. Feisty, huh? No, I'm just trying to survive over here. Aaron's ready for your next flex. Okay. You flex harder. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Nice, all of those though. He's like a Naga mixed with a horse. Aaron's ready for your next flex. I need an item quickly. There we go. Yeah, I'm sweating. God damn it. Man, this takes me back to the very first bullet hell game I played, although I don't remember what it was called. But I do remember it was a bullet hell game. Okay, flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. Flexes himself. Does that sign say anything? Okay, let's see here. Man, that soundtrack sounds pretty dreadful though. Okay, this doesn't work. And errors. If an error is made, Bell Blossom can call bridge seeds back to where they started. Whoa! That soundtrack is getting intense. This ought to work. Okay, pick this up. And this up. Nothing. Let's try this again. Okay. And here we go. Congratulations, you failed the puzzle. God damn it. Well, what else can I do then? Let's try this. Still doesn't work. If an error is made, Bell Blossom can bridge seeds back to where they started. So somewhere along the line you need to explore them. Still nothing. Could it be that way? Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, it worked. Okay. Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number secretly until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a gross bandage. Is that true? Are you wearing a gross bandage? L.A.zy. I do want to meet her in dying. I did hear a lot of badass stuff about her, so yeah. So you are wearing a gross bandage. Got it. Wink wink. Have a nice day. Click. Wait, can I still call him? Again, tutorial didn't pick up. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you look with all your hearts, the wish will come true. Now, all I have are these sparkling stones in the ceiling. The stars wishing. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. Can you prove that? That scared me. Holy shit. Woshua shuffles up. Woshua, sudden attack, one defense. This humble germaphobe seeks to cleanse the whole world. Tweet. Wosh leg. Oh boy, that's an interesting pattern. I'm failing. You ask Woshua what's clean. It hops around excited. Green means clean. Ah, fuck. There we go. Thank you. Okay, that's good. 25 gold. Come on, sis. Make a wish. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. Little telescope. Check wall. Check wall. Which wall? Ah, seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. Ooh, that wall. Okay. Ancient writing covers the walls. Just make out the words. War of humans and monsters. Okay, there's nothing else here. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. They would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy, we're running. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, whoa! Hey! Oh, wow! Ah, fuck! I'm gonna die soon. Shit, she's still... Do we lose her? Shh. It's that guy. Wait, did she kill him or... Oh, she gave up. Dude? Okay then. Oh wait. There he is. Yo, did you see that? The dime just touched me. I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky. If you were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. It's like he has no arms or whatever. Man, where's the nearest safe point? I'm dying. Oh, here it is. Squeak. This cheese has been here so long. A magical crystal has grown around you. It's stuck to the table. Okay. Knowing the mouse will one day extract cheese from Mr. Crystal fills you with determination. You know what? I'm gonna continue on further. I just love this game too much just to be left like this. I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use a screen telescope, but since I know you can use it for free, how's about it? Sure. It's just a red dot. Huh? You want satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? Well, no. I still have nothing. God damn it. That telescope just gave me a black eye. Sans you douchebag. Okay, first I'm gonna check all the exits around here. Okay, yeah, I get it. You're interested in stars. What's in here? Ooh, it's that guy again. How many G's do I have? 125. Nice. Ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. These mushrooms are the same ones I saw near that door. Are they interconnected with something? I relocated my store. There are still no customers. Fortunately, I thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. A shot to get the customers to come back. Ice cream. Well, I'll take all of them. I have a lot. Super, here you go. Your card's in the box. The box contains 1 card. Take a card? Yes, please. You got a punch card. Punch card. Battle item. Used to make punching attacks stronger in one battle. Use outside battle to look at the card. An ice cream. Sure. I need all the health items I can get. Here you go. Okay, thanks. That's the second punch card. Yes, you got a punch card. Nice. And 1 more. There you go. Super, here you go. Your card's in the box. You got the nice cream. Yes. You got a punch card. 1, 2, 3. You got 3 punch cards. Hey, you have 3 punch cards. How about redeeming them for some ice cream? It's free. Here, a free ice cream. You lost 3 cards and got an ice cream. I still got 2 spaces left, so I'll buy some more. Okay. Here you go, man. You deserve all the money in the world. I don't know what kind of animal you are, so I'm not gonna guess. Okay, nice. Man, I'm still tempted to look around to see what this place has to offer. Looks like my black eye is gone. There's a duck on the other side. Let's see if we can get around. Listen to that sound. Whisper flowers all over the area. You hear a passing conversation. Just one, but it's kind of stupid. Ooh, mold smalls. I'll spare you guys, and I got no gold. Thanks a lot. Thanks for nothing. This place is huge. What's this? It's a pair of ballet shoes. We take it? You're carrying too much. Oh. I got too much. Okay. Okay, looks like this place is way too big to inspect in one episode, so I'm just gonna go save and end the video there. So that's Undying, especially in her badass little armor. Okay, use the box. Yes, use it. I don't need this, and I don't need this. And I'm gonna say, knowing the mouse will one day extract the cheese from Mr. Crystal. It fills you with determination. Okay, and with that, I'm gonna end this video here. I don't exactly know what to say, but Undyne definitely looks like a badass. I'm still yet to fight her, but I will tell you this: her encounters were definitely like tense. I don't know what exactly is going to happen when you meet her, but I can't wait to actually face her in battle. So, without further ado, that's it for this video. Thank you all who watched. And hopefully, I will see you all next time. Bye bye.